Hi, this is Dr. Robert Nucci, and now we'll be talking today about the benefits of running on the low back. The low back of the lumbar spine is made up of blocks of bone, and in between are discs, which are the cushions. And as you run, they see stress on those cushions or compression on those cushions. Well, those cushions, those discs, are avascular, which means that there's no direct blood supply to the disc itself. So as you're just sitting here, it's getting some nutrients into the disc. When you're running, you're compressing the disc, and this actually increases the nutrient supply to the discs, makes your discs even healthier. So there is a side benefit of running to your lumbar spine. Maybe you all can take advantage of. This is Dr. Robert Nucci. If any questions or comments, please click below.